Alright, so when we're ready to do our caps on our rake, we're going to go ahead and take our mission cap. We're going to take our 6-inch end disc, put one in the end. You can choose to fold it over as you can see here, or keep it full circle if you'd like as well. Then we're just going to go ahead and notch our first one only. That way we can bring this up nice and tight to our eave line. So we're just going to notch that out just on that first one. So we're going to go ahead and put that on just like so. Make sure it's up nice and tight. Make sure it's staying straight on my drip edge. We're going to do one fastener down through the top into my 2x2. And then we're going to do 2 on the ends. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3 on my fasteners. And after that, go ahead and just put 1 per course, just like so. Getting this one down into that 2x2, and then 2 on the side along my drip edge. And then just keep continuing 1 cap per course. Now these top ones, I'm going to go ahead and have to caulk these and use my granules from my touch-up kit and touch those up since they're through the top of the cap. Alright, so when we get to a place where there's 2 rakes and a ridge, I'm going to do the following steps. Go ahead and measure my cap. And go ahead and notch that out accordingly. See, we'll notch the back side here, and then we'll run this one past. And go ahead and fasten that. Then we're going to come back with our next piece. We're going to find our miter that's going to be even with my fascia. And we'll go ahead and install that right on the top, just like so. And then fasten that as normal. Then we'll come back in, get our fasteners into our fascia and our cap. Then we'll be ready to go ahead and put our first ridge piece on. Now we're going to take our ridge piece and we're going to put a 6-inch end disc on with our stitch screws. And then we're going to go ahead and cut out our caps on either side. And that will sit over the top just like so. Go ahead and put a fastener into my 2x2 buildup. Just like that. Then we're going to continue along our ridge. We'll go ahead and just put these right on top of each other. And then I'll have a fastener on either side going into my 2x2.